All of us wish to live in a healthy and green environment, but with so much of pollution around us, this wish just stays a distant dream. There are many tested and tried ways to reduce pollution adopted by several countries. Let us try to understand how to minimize the pollution created by fossil fuel and move to a carbon neutral environment. Hello all and welcome to yet another interesting video. Hydrogen, most common and abundant element of the universe, is emerging as the energy of future. Decarbonizing the planet is one of the goals that countries around the world have set for 2050. Recently, India has announced a national hydrogen mission to reduce petroleum use, greenhouse gas emissions, and contribute to more diverse and efficient energy infrastructure. Hydrogen is an essential industrial commodity and plays an indispensable role in many important industrial processes. Hydrogen is a clean molecule, but unfortunately, 95% of hydrogen used by industries is produced by using steam reformation of natural gas, which requires a large energy input and produces huge amount of greenhouse gases. The sources and process by which hydrogen is extracted are categorized by color tabs. Electrolysis of water splits hydrogen and oxygen. This process requires electric current, and if the electricity required can be generated by renewable sources instead of fossil fuels, the hydrogen thus produced is called green hydrogen. Green hydrogen can be stored easily like any other gas and can be subsequently used for other purposes. Green hydrogen is an upcoming technology which can function as a viable alternative for an ever-expanding population dependent mainly on non-renewable sources. As electric vehicles are becoming more and more in demand, we need to think our strategy for electricity generation. Through the use of green hydrogen, we can foresee a sustainable future in handling this increased demand. Many developed countries are moving towards a green hydrogen economy. The corporate giants of India are also planning to invest in this field. There should be a good spending on research and development and technology adoption in hydrogen energy. Our ability to produce large quantities of green hydrogen plays a major role in providing an alternative to fossil fuels.